My days today I am going to tell you something different. But before that, the last class you have learned about the light, light sensitive material and dark box, which is most important for photography. Out of those, today I will tell you about camera. What is a camera actually? You know, when you set your mobile phone, take your mobile phone, by that mobile phone, the camera which you use, that is a kind of camera. In mobile, there is a lens which act as a camera. But when we are talking about camera, what is this? If you would like to know, for that you need to know more about it. So I will tell you more about it today. So I am going to tell you about the camera. What is camera? Camera is basically a dark box. Okay, this type of dark box where from you cannot get any kind of light which will enter inside the camera. But as a form of camera, what you know, from the very beginning you have seen there is a lens, there is so many buttons, there is something inside which you don't know about. Today I am showing you the camera, one camera in which you can do photography with your all calculation and everything. But I was talking to you about camera. What is camera? Basically, this camera derives from the word camera obscura. And this camera obscura is that which is started from the very beginning when we are talking about photography, the ancient time or the years 18th century. But nowadays that advantage which take place, that is something different. Now the people, those who are involved with it, camera means a darkened room in Latin language. It is called camera. The photographic camera derives directly from the camera, which means a darkened room or tent without any window, but has a pinhole on any of its wall. There is 4 wall, and out of those 4 wall, in any one wall, as in pinhole camera I have shown you that in one side only the pinhole, the tiny hole is there. In camera also, if you see, you will find in rest of the side it is blocked. Only from one side the light can pass through and form the image inside it. When the door or the lens or the tiny hole which we call pinhole is closed, inside it becomes total dark, pitch black dark. By that, no light reflection will take place inside, or no light reaction will take place inside. Only the reflection of the object which is coming from the outside of the lens or the hole only will take place. Okay. Now there are few scientists I would like to mention here, that is Alhazen, William Henry Fox Talbot, Roger Bacon, Alberti, Alhazen. These are the scientists who develop a lot the system or the device or the formula for the camera obscura, the Evolve, it is used for the painters for painting, because earlier stage it was not possible to paint so colorful paintings and they were not able to find out which kind of paintings they can do. So by seeing the scenery only, by seeing the scenery outside only, they used to paint, the painter. That is why in history you will find that Leonardo da Vinci also used to use the camera for his painting. It was 1685, near about 1685 AD, at that John described a small. You know, children, there are so many types of camera, and in those types of camera, there are so many manufacturers who used to make the camera, and you should know those names who made this camera popular. Okay, out of them, one is Kodak, another is Fuji, next is there are Canon, Yashica, Pentax, Nikon, Canon, Sony, and so on. There are so many others company, IMAX is there, Agfa is there. So these all are the manufacturer of camera. Now let me tell you about the films. You should know about the films. Films were, as well as a manufacturer of camera, Kodak was there, Konica was there, Agfa was there, Fuji was there, but this Nikon, Canon, Pentax, Yashica, these all company never make any kind of films. They always used to produce camera, and better, easiest process for operating, because operating of a film camera is not so easy task. When you operate a film camera, so many things you have to keep in your mind. Number one, when you are clicking a picture, at that time you should know in your concept that in the camera there are only 36 films. You cannot get more picture than that. In that 36 films only, you have to cover whole program, whatever program you are attending. And when you are operating it in birthday, in any marriage ceremony, any of the function, school function, at that time people are not so much aware about this, because the calculation is there how to operate it. There were so many knobs by which you should know, you should operate the cameras, all the parts, because there is a risk. There is a risk in this case, because if you by chance, by mistake, commit any mistake, whole program's photograph will be destroyed. But nowadays what happened? In your mobile camera, in your phone camera, in your digital camera, whatever photographs you are clicking, you can view immediate, you can delete it immediate, and you can get more good picture right that time only. But earlier it was not that chance to view the object after clicking, because film used to be inside the camera, and until unless you will develop that film, you won't get it. And for the development, in the 80s, 1980s, it used to take 15 days time, and in 1990 it reduced its time and it becomes 7 days. Now the formula was that you give the camera to the person who operates the studio's lab, or go to the photo laboratory where you can get the develop and print out both. So it was not easy task at that time. So the manufacturer tried to give their level best to the people who can operate at least the camera. Now you have printer also, you can print out as soon as you will attach the attachment for printout, you can get the printout also. Though this printout is not permanent printout, but earlier or still there the chemical reaction printout. Actually these two terms are there. Number one, when you are clicking a picture inside the camera, when it is coming as a form of soft copy. Then you have to go to the laboratory for getting as a hard copy. And that hard copy, if you would like to make by yourself, there are so many papers available in the market, you can go through it. But if you make that, it is not going to give you the longevity. But if you make the printout through the chemical reaction, it remains for long time. Okay, now you see the photographs.
You know what spreads faster than any virus? It's fear. Now when it comes to fear, you can either forget everything and run, I said or you can face everything and rise. I believe. And let me tell you what I believe. I believe that. I believe we gon' face everything and rise. That we will win. It's not how you fall, it's how you get back up. And what don't kill us make us stronger, boy. Bet that up. Take a swing at us, you better hit hard. Cause when we swing back, it's like, oh God, it's time to knuckle up and fight hard. Now let's all buckle up and fight hard. Que Dios bendiga a todas tus familias, mi amigo. Se parta mandito, vamos a darle duro este video. Say it with me. I believe. Say it with me. But we gon' win the war. I'm from the bottom, I'm that uncut, real raw. When things get tough, that's when we show up. That's when we show out. That's when we show yo. It's time to knuckle up and fight hard. Now let's all buckle up and fight hard. Que Dios bendiga a todas tus familias, mi amigo. Se parta mandito, vamos a darle duro este video. Say it with me. I believe. Say it with me. Bottom line, no matter what, face everything and rise.
Favorite fitness DJ.